Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we are going to talk about what is the alternatives for our Microsoft Office. It is actually free. You know that Microsoft Office is paid, but guys, there are two ways that you can have the Microsoft Office. I mean, the one way is actually the Microsoft Office online, and another way is the Microsoft Office alternatives, which is the Google Forms, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. So first, we are going to talk about the Microsoft Office online. So So in order that we can open a Microsoft Office is go to office.com. Then you can have the Office 365 login. You can sign in or get Office. Get Office is that you can download the full version. So just go to sign in. So if you have a Microsoft account, sign in your Microsoft account. But if you don't have one, you can create. So we're just gonna sign in. I'm just gonna pause it. So now guys, once you've logged in, you can see install Office and buy Office. So here we have, so you can see here that you can go here. Then you can have the Microsoft Office 365. For example, I'm gonna press Word. Once I press Word, as you can see, we have the online like the online Word. So for example, you can go to the new blank document, as you can see here. So Microsoft OneDrive access files. So for example here, Microsoft, so we can access actually. So we can type. It is online guys. It is a very alternative. So guys, you just seen the Microsoft Office online. I'll be putting the link of the Office 365 link there. But if you want the Google Slides, just for example, go to slides.google.com. So you can go here. There is actually, for example, we're going to the new tab of Chrome. There, as you can see here, like in the waffle here, the waffle, you can see the alternative. So Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. So that is the three main um, alternatives. For Google Sheets is for the Microsoft Excel, and Google Docs is for Microsoft Word, and Google Slides is for Microsoft PowerPoint. So guys, that's it. We've just talked about the alternatives for our Microsoft Office. So make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell button. If you want to share, just comment down below. Make sure that if this video helped to you, especially for students, don't forget to like the video and comment if it helped. Bye guys.